How to fix and solve your IP ban on Instagram app, 2025. Is your Instagram account blocked because of an IP ban? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and solve your IP ban on the Instagram app in 2025. First, let's understand why Instagram might ban your IP address. 1. Using third-party apps or bots. 2. Excessive liking, commenting, or following. 3. Violating Instagram's community guidelines. One quick fix is to restart your router. This often changes your IP address, especially if you're using a dynamic IP. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Your mobile carrier provides a different IP address, which may bypass the ban. Another option is to use a VPN to change your IP. However, avoid free VPNs, as they can be unreliable or even violate Instagram's policies. Another option is to use a VPN to change your IP. However, avoid free VPNs, as they can be unreliable or even violate Instagram's policies. None of these methods work. Report the issue to Instagram. 1. Open Instagram and tap on Settings. 2. Select Help. Report a problem. 3. Explain that your account is blocked due to an IP ban. Sometimes, IP bans are temporary and last from a few hours to a few days. Be patient and avoid any suspicious activity. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next video.